Changing your phone number on a Lyft account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information quickly. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon or the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Go to Account Settings. In your profile, look for the Account or Settings option. Select this to view your account details, including your phone number. Step 4. Update your phone number. Find the section labeled Phone Number. Tap on it, then enter your new phone number. Make sure to double check for any errors before proceeding. Step 5. Verify your new number. After entering the new phone number, Lyft will send a verification code via SMS. Enter the code and app to confirm the change. Once you've completed these steps, your phone number will be updated in your Lyft account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Lyft support for assistance.